a skill is a Notion page that has instructions, like this one, for example. Instructions are text that describe what the skill is for. Similar to how you have a skill in writing code or writing essays or Python. AI can have skills to do specific things, such as proofreading some text, researching something, explaining something. And so skills are specific pages that allow AI agents, or you directly by selecting a piece of text or any content in the Notion workspace, to invoke a skill to do a specific action. So they differ from instructions in that they're not the whole personality or behaviors that you intend for the AI agent to follow, but rather skills are context specific, invoked at a specific time when there is the need for them to run. So when you go to the library in Notion, there is a skills section that shows all the skills. Any page in Notion can be a skill, because when you have a page, you can go to the three dots menu and then use with AI, use as AI skill. And if you select this option, then this page is designated as an AI skill, which means when you select something in Notion, you can select skills and you have a list of skills. You can also, for example, select a specific piece of text or a few words, and then there is a skills section in the context menu within Notion that has all the skills right here. Skills can be organized in a database, and the skills database is a special database that at first can be set up automatically by Notion for you when you're adding a skill from the library, for example. If there are no skills databases, then you can create one directly from here automatically. Otherwise, you might have one or multiple skills data sources where you store your skills. So if I open it, here it creates a new skill that is created by a description that's AI generated. Any files that you can attach for additional context for the AI to query when invoking the skill. And there is the page body, which is where the instructions or the prompt for that skill go. And within the library, you can see how each skill can be used automatically. And if you enable this toggle, then when you chat with Notion AI agent from here, or when Notion custom agents run, and you make a request that can require an AI skill to be invoked, then that skill will be invoked accordingly to provide a quality output. Then there is the three dot menu here, where you can select whether you want to show the skill in the editor, and the editor is what I showed you earlier. Whenever I select a text in Notion or a block in Notion, I can see the skills in here. And then I can also select uninstall, so it won't appear in the chat, or it won't run automatically. Or I can unset page as skill, which basically removes this use as AI skill checkbox from here. So that page is not a skill anymore, and it won't have this banner at the top designating it as a skill. And that's it for AI skills in Notion for now. There are ongoing developments going on with this feature, which is certainly interesting. Skills is an artifact that we also saw in Claude, for example, where you can invoke specific skills and you can have a library of those skills. And now also in Notion, which is becoming increasingly more the platform for AI agents orchestration and for working with different models, selecting your own model, using skills, using instructions, and also external agents with Claude, Cursor, and more upcoming. You can find relevant links in the description of this video, where you will also find a contact form if you want to work together to build your own custom systems. Thanks for watching for now, and see you in the next one.